Now, I would like to invite our today's guest, Manasvi Kale, to express her views.
रात दिन मेहनत करता, जी भर पीता पानी, तंगी में भी खुश रहता, मजदूर तेरी यही कहानी। औरों की सेवा करता, सर्दी गर्मी या बरसे पानी, तन पे कपड़ा फटा पुराना, मजदूर तेरी यही कहानी। पालन पोषण अपनों का करता पूरी जिंदगानी, देश हित में मेहनत से रचता नई कहानी। हम भी उससे सीखे मेहनत की परिभाषा, मेहनत कर लो जग में, व्यर्थ न जाए जिंदगानी, व्यर्थ न जाए जिंदगानी। I am very happy to have the golden opportunity to speak on this special occasion. I wish you a happy Labour's Day to all. Today we have assembled here to honor the great efforts of the labourers. So a special day is dedicated to the labourers class to appreciate their contribution to the society. Workers play a vital role in keeping the society running smoothly, from the workers who build our house and infrastructure to the doctors and nurses who care for us when we are sick, and to the teachers who give us the path to our future. International Workers' Day is celebrated in the different ways in different parts of the world. In many places it is marked by parades, rallies and speeches. A lack of job security and discrimination. Nowadays, the child employment is a severe matter in the most of the developing nations. Small children under the age of 14 are being pushed in the hazardous activity. They are just ignoring the reality that the children are the hope and the future of our nation. The main cause of this is poverty, because poverty is the biggest challenge to raise the child labor. Now I want to speak a few about Maharashtra, as 1st May is also observed as Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day. Maharashtra, a land of rich history and culture. Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of Maratha Empire and is widely known as the father of Indian Navy. Shivaji Bhosle, also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, was born on 19th February 1630. The famous dialogue of his was, "The courage is in the heart of the people, not in the weapons." And Shivaji was also known as the mountain rat because and was widely known for his welfare tactics. His right hand was Tanaji Malusare. He was a great warrior and known as Sinha, means lion. And I want to share some few lessons based on it, because जितने भी हम प्रिंसिपल्स एक लायन से सीखे जा सकते हैं वो किसी एनिमल से नहीं. First is the focus is the key. To achieve the goal, we must focus on it first. Lion always focus on its goal. When he is hunting, he first focus on it. He do not do any movement while he catch the prey. And in that movement, he never he first observed his prey, the movement of the prey, and then he attacked at the right time. Like lion, first analyze your goal and focus on your goal and take action at the right time. Second lesson is that try but don't cry. Lion never cries if he failed many times. Okay, if we will fail 100 times, but don't fail to try 1,000 times. And in one day you will definitely get the success. The third is, do not follow the opinions of others, because a sheep never leads and a lion never follows. Fourth and last and main important lesson from the lion is, your attitude makes you different. Keep the attitude like lion, because lion is called the king of the jungle because of his attitude. Again, I wish happy Labour's Day and Maharashtra Day to all. Thank you.